Well, hello, and this is an issue with my door on my truck. One day there was a very, very heavy wind, strong wind, and I was in between two high-rise buildings, and it was like a wind tunnel in there. And then when I opened the door, the wind grabbed it and just pulled it all the way open like this, and damaged the door and the fender here. And the door doesn't close right. Actually, it's a lot better now than it was before. Before I couldn't even get it this way, but I got to really slam it to close it, and I can feel that the door has dropped a bit. So I'm going to rig up something and I'll show you. This is not a fix, this is a workaround. Workaround Lou, that's what I should be called. Anyway, I'll be back after I set up my little jig here. So this is what I've got set up. It's a jack. Now this jack is for a large truck. It's a 3.5 ton jack, and it goes up pretty high. But what I aim to do here is lift up the door and bend it back to the height that it used to be at. Now, this is not a repair, this is a workaround, and I'm going to leave it like this. I don't really care, this is a work truck, but if you do this on your car, be careful. The doors on a car are not as well built as the doors on this truck, so you might break something in the process of doing it, so just beware. Anyways, what my goal is to raise up the door, so I put the jack underneath the door and I use a filler piece of wood so that I don't end up bending the door frame much, and by doing so I hope to lift it up high enough that it'll close a lot better than it did before. So you can see I did this a couple times already before I showed you this little video, and I got it up higher, but it's still not high enough. The center of the door strike here should be in line with this piece of steel, round steel here. So I still got to go up a tiny bit. So I did that, and I'll show you the results now. So I'm going to lower the jack. And the test. Okay, that one's not bad, but I don't have to slam it as hard as I used to. So the door is pretty much in line here, so I can live with that. I'm not going to bother trying it anymore because I might break something in the process, and then I'm really up the creek with no paddle, so to speak. I mean, it doesn't look great here, but I'm not taking it. I'm not going to make an insurance claim for this. What's the point? I mean, this is a work truck. It's going to get mashed up. My trusty Ford work truck. So there you have it, folks. Quick and dirty workaround. I'm not going to say quick and dirty fix because it's not a fix, it's a workaround.